You are going to experience one of the best summer drinks, Litchi Mojito. Come on. Enjoy. You are watching Spice Trail. Let's start. Take a hurricane glass. Add 4 to 6 lemon slices. 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves. Okay. Now add fresh lychee pulps. Let's pick the peg measure. Pour 45 ml white rum. Always use light rum, it will help to enhance the flavor of the mojito. Pour 30 ml lychee syrup. Always use lychee syrup instead of juice, as it will help to construct the body of the cocktail in a better way. Add 30 ml sugar syrup. You can prepare the perfect sugar syrup at home by adding an equal part of sugar and water. Now gently muddle for 8 to 10 times. Be careful, don't over muddle, as lemon can release bitterness. Okay, this is enough. Take the mixing glass. Fill with cracked ice. Oops. You are watching Spice Trail. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Now slowly pour chilled soda water. Great. Now stir slowly. Your favorite, Litchi Mojito, is almost ready. It's time to add garnish. Drop a red cherry. Fix a whole fresh lychee. And a fresh mint sprig. Cheers! Your favorite Litchi Mojito is ready. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. If you enjoyed these tantalizing cocktail recipes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more drink inspiration.